Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today is the 11th day of October 2023, and currently I'm trading gold and I'm using the demand and supply system. So I want to quickly explain my entry reasons. Okay, so right here I drew a supply zone. You can see my supply zone up here. That's a zone where you have a lot of sellers. So I saw that, okay, when price got to that level, a lot of selling was done. So I have a lot of sellers in that region. So I drew a supply zone across that region. And the idea behind it is that anytime price comes back up into that region, I'm looking to sell, okay? So price did a lot of zigzag movements. You see it moved this way, didn't come up to the zone, came down, move up to these points. Then I realized that another supply zone was also created around here. Let me move this a bit, okay? So another supply zone was created around here. You understand? You can see it's actually like a short-term supply zone. Price came up there, bounced back again, telling me that there are sellers in that region, okay? So I drew a supply zone at that level. But the supply zone did not hold for long because at some point, you know, the sellers there got exhausted, okay? And this is one technique I want to quickly teach you. If you draw a supply zone, the more the supply zone serves you, the less authentic the supply zone is going to be. So if you have actually taken a sell position from a supply zone, don't keep taking the sell position again and again. Be more careful, because if it has served you once, the probability that it will serve you the second time is lower. It will be reduced. And if it manages to serve you the second time, the probability it will serve you the third time is also lower because sellers there have already, you know, you have done a lot of selling there. So it's not as if it's going to be fixed that sellers will always be there. At some point, a higher level of supply will be sought after, okay, by price, because that level, the sellers there have already been, their job is exhausted already, okay? So the best way to put it is that the liquidity there is exhausted, okay? So you can see, this supply zone, price came up there, came down, so it served at that point. But the next time price came up, price broke through the supply zone, seeking a higher supply, which is the bigger supply zone I drew on top. Okay, so the liquidity around here, around this region, the liquidity around this region has been taken out. There is nothing there to push price down anymore. Okay, so that region was broken. Then it went back to the first supply zone. Price went back to the first supply zone I drew, which is this supply zone up here. This one up here that I drew, okay? So when I saw price coming back to my first supply zone, I was just waiting for confirmation to enter a sell position. So when I saw exhaustion, okay, the momentum reduced, showing that the liquidity has been taken. So price wants to shoot down. Immediately, I started entering my sell positions. I entered about 5 or 6. Let me check. Sell positions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I entered 6 sell positions, and right now I'm running at a profit of about $350. Okay, so this thing is just understanding. If you understand Forex, you will make money from it. All right. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, please drop them in my comment section. I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching.